I'm actually about to retire. I actually retired Monday. Woohoo! Congratulations, Y1504. With your help, my portfolio has exploded over the last 3 years. Bitcoin, MicroStrategy, Tesla, Sol, with a whole bunch of allocations: 33% Bitcoin, 26% MicroStrategy, 28% Tesla, 12% Sol, and there's a bunch of small stuff. This year, I plan to liquidate a fair amount of the above and some Sol and MicroStrategy and get rid of all the junk. Where do I move? More Tesla, Bitcoin, cash, something else? Thank you. Well, you probably saw my post on Patreon this morning regarding Jeff Booth foreseeing a supply crunch for Bitcoin, and then things will kick off. And that's why I'm still very bullish on Bitcoin. But remember this, a couple of things. I did share this crude little chart last week. I do believe, Tesla's really weak right now. But remember, we went from 106 to 485, back down to about 365. It's volatile. However, I do believe towards the end of this year, there's going to be a lot of tailwinds hitting and the world will realize what it is. And that's why we need to get into that rotation before it actually happens. Now, the orange is crypto. I don't know which ones, but I believe we will get a mini alt season with winning asset singular. And I do believe Bitcoin will go higher in 2025 despite the weakness right now. And the red is Tesla, and I hope it languishes as long as we possibly can. I want crypto to kick off first, and then we will prepare for the rotation. Now, what we rotate into, where we take profits, I made it very clear. Shed the miners first, all the garbage, as you say, get rid of it. Sell early. Do not be a bag holder. There's nothing wrong with selling early and taking profits. But there's a couple of things that I want to bear in mind. One, remember the interim step. Don't feel that you have to swap, like take profit on, say, MicroStrategy and then buy something immediately. You can actually take profit and sit on cash and then layer in at favorable entry points into Tesla or other assets. If a supply crunch comes for Bitcoin, that could make it very appealing. But if a supply crunch does hit, we will see things go up very fast because risk happens fast. You may only have a day or so, a couple of days to react. So bear that in mind. And back to the red line, which is Tesla. The tailwinds that are coming late in 2025 will be like nothing we've ever seen before. Elon Musk said the same thing. We'll have unsupervised FSD, Model 2 sub $30,000 car. Robotaxis will be launching in Austin in June 2025. I hope it's a small launch and it takes the markets time to digest. Optimus robot factory will be working in factories, doing stuff, doing productive work, and there'll be thousands of them. There'll be new factories, maybe another third Megapack factory and others. And the Megapack for energy in Shanghai is going live, and FSD license will uptick. I know people kind of are critical of FSD. I literally stopped driving about a month ago, and my car takes me everywhere. And I have lost trust in myself. It's kind of a weird feeling when you no longer feel competent, when you think a car can drive better than you. And I consider myself a very good driver. But that's where we are. It's happening. And I do believe 2025 will have these tailwinds and will drive the price. I just hope it happens slower than we expect.